Gold prices hit a record high this week, but are we treading water this morning here? This comes as investors await more economic data that could influence the Fed's rate decision later this month. For more on all of this, we've got Yahoo Finance reporter Ines Ferré here with us. Hey, Ines.
Yeah, Brad, and this Friday, that jobs report is really going to be important because it will determine if we seeing the labor market that's continuing to cool, if the Fed's job is done. And part of the reason why we have seen gold prices surging lately is because of the market expectation that the Fed is done tightening and perhaps there could be even rate cuts next year. And so that's why you're seeing the markets that when it comes to gold going higher. I'm going to put up a 10-day chart here so that you can see right up here. Remember, there's gold futures and there's spot prices. And we just saw the spot prices yesterday that reached an all-time high. We saw gold futures also that reached new highs as well, above $2,100 per ounce. But then we have seen it come back down a bit. So there is resistance around the 2,000 level. And this is, this is a floor among the 2,000 level. It was resistance. And now we are seeing that gold is at $2,034 per ounce. Now, we are seeing this move go higher with gold because also we have seen the 10-year Treasury, which I'm going to pull up here, that has gone lower. So there's this relationship where if the 10-year Treasury is going lower, then bonds aren't as attractive to investors, so therefore they go into gold. And that is the correlation that we've been seeing. We also have been watching the U.S. dollar index. So we're watching gold dip a little bit today. The U.S. dollar index is going higher. Gold is denominated in U.S. dollars. So there is that inverse correlation between the dollar index and gold. Now, we have spoken to analysts. Two schools of thought here that some analysts are saying, watch out, don't chase this rally when it comes to gold. And others are saying that you are seeing the beginning of a bull market for gold, that gold is going to go much higher. We've even seen calls of $3,000 per ounce in the next 12 months. And that's just simply because gold hasn't done much for a while, even though we have seen highs back in 2020. We saw highs, and now we're seeing highs now. But the saying goes is the bigger the base, the higher in space. And certainly there are bulls out there that are calling for gold to go higher, guys.
Certainly are after this run to the upside. All right, Ines, thanks. Thank you.